Not everyone is super technical. In fact, most of us aren't. Computers are tools, and no, we do not want you to be a security expert. But we often hear friends, family, and coworkers say things like, "Oh, I don't know anything about security because I'm not technical." We hear family members use their lack of computer savvy as an excuse for their poor security choices. Our friends look at us with glazed eyes whenever we mention information security or security awareness, because to them, it sounds like we're going to start spewing technical jargon. Too many people hear security and instantly shy away from it for fear that they won't understand it. Maybe you even find yourself thinking from time to time, "I could never understand any of that. I'll let someone else worry about it." Maybe it's a little daunting to set up a secure home wireless network, or think about installing a firewall when you're not entirely sure how they technically work. That's why we always say, when in doubt, ask. Ask Google. What is the best way to? And in most cases, a step-by-step handful of YouTube video tutorials are available. But guess what? Security is much more than technical controls. While there are highly complicated technical aspects to securing networks and protecting data, there are many other components to strong security that don't involve technical savvy at all. Security is something that everyone can play a role in, even without knowing the ins and the outs of the internet or how computers work. When we look at the three domains of security, cyber, human, and physical, we see many examples of non-technical security awareness in each. We know we should back up our personal digital files, and we must not click on phishing links in the cyber domain. We stay on the lookout for social engineers and pre-texting scams in the human domain. And the physical domain, we look for unattended suspicious boxes. There are so many great non-technical lessons to be learned. Here are some simple, non-technical physical security tips to keep you safe and secure at home and the office. Non-technical tip number 1. Keep a clean desk. Non-technical tip number 2. Keep your mobile device inconspicuous, protected with a lock screen, and put simple contact information on it if lost. Non-technical tip number 3. When talking in a public area, keep your voice down or find a more private corner so others